Thought I'd give domestic fuels a go with infographics. So this is a few images for this topic. So we've got factors affecting fuel selection. So then we go to natural gas selection, LPG selection, oil boilers, solid fuels, renewable technologies, factors that affect it, the national grid and the national gas transmission systems, fuel storage for oil and LPG and gas, obviously, factors affecting fuel selection, so the regulators, information on that, storage requirements for coal and oil, further storage requirements and access, combustion continued, goes on for a while, ventilation, and that completes it. So hopefully that those infographics are some use.